Hello, dear friends. Today we continue learning Russian food. Not Russian food, but food in Russian. Some dishes. We didn't mean pasta. Pasta, pasta. Pasta is dish from pasta. So we have different types of pasta. Yeah? Pasta, macaroni. Macaroni. And there are different types. Maybe the most famous, spaghetti. Spaghetti. And small pasta, vermicelli. Vermicelli. Then this is lapsha. Lapsha. And in Italia, long pasta can call linguine, and in Russian it will be linguini. Linguini. And we learned with porridge, kasha. Kasha. So groats, types of groats. Oats, овсянка. Овсянка. And some more groats. It can be garnish, garnir. Garnir. Rice, рис. Рис. Buckwheat, греча. Греча. It's the most famous groats in Russia. And maybe some more groats. Nut. Nut. It's Turkish pears. Турецкий горох. Турецкий горох. Nut. Nut. And sometimes we cook quinoa. Quinoa. And some other groats and garnish. Please write in comments. See you in the next video. Bye.